Me in the studio is Ashok Pandit, the filmmaker and social activist. You put it up on YouTube first, this whole video.
Yeah.
So you got it from somewhere.
Yeah.
Where do you get it from?
A friend of mine from Delhi.
Which friend?
I think that's not important.
Political party?
No.
BJP?
No.
You're pro-BJP, aren't you?
No, I am pro-Modi.
No, so were you trying to fix the Aam Aadmi Party by doing
No.
There's a political motive in this.
No, I am very clear.
No, what are you trying to...
No. I think I owe something to my nation.
Oh, come on.
And a person,
don't give me that.
And a person who has been telling, accusing, abusing everybody.
Yeah.
If he falls in the same line, he has to be exposed. It's as simple as that.
Yeah. Okay, point is taken. Well, Sankarshan, 1 second. Yes, Sankarshan, good evening. Let's introduce everyone. Sankarshan Thakur, Sambit Patra of the BJP, Kamal Mitra Chinoy of the Aam Aadmi Party, and Aarti Jarat, senior journalist. Yes, Sankarshan, what were you saying?
No, I was just saying that people start saying I owe something to my country as if people who stand in opposition to the BJP are sort of traitors. They don't owe anything to the country. I mean, this whole language is very disturbing to me. I mean, beyond, above the subject of this debate, the way it has kicked off.
No, Shankar, you are misunderstanding me.
Part of this
Shankar, you are misunderstanding me.
Country. You don't owe something to the country. What is this?
No, you are misunderstanding me,
Shankar.
Misunderstanding allow me to talk now. Allow me to talk. Here, as a common man, as a real Aam Aadmi,
I am not
when
Shankar.
I come to know. So don't accuse me.
I am not Shankar. Read your Sanskrit first. Since you owe so much to this country, first get your language right. I am not Shankar.
Okay, Shankar.
Sankarshan.
Okay, fine. You don't get so emotional about it.
I am not Shankar either.
Okay, fine.
Go to the etymology of my name and then you will get it right.
Okay, fine. The issue is not your name and my name.
What do you mean whosoever?
The issue here is about a party who has been accusing and abusing everyone stands exposed today. The issue is that. So let us not divert the issue.
Kamal Mitra Chinoy of the Aam Aadmi Party. The Aam Aadmi Party wanted the Election Commission to immediately register an FIR against Togadia. So why is the Aam Aadmi Party not asking for an immediate FIR to be put against Shazia Ilmi? Such hypocrisy.
Because the language is nowhere the same. However, we think that the term too secular is too sweeping. Even if the idea is that in a community should not be used by a secular party.
Are you sure of what you're saying,
in support
Professor
of secularism? And
Professor Chenna, are you trying too hard to justify
this? Very careful with the choice of words.
I'm
sure,
you
are not testifying to the authenticity of the videotape.
No, by the way, no. 1 second. Shazia Ilmi, just a minute. We have spoken to Shazia Ilmi about it and
no,
1 second.
What she has said cannot be defended.
I think
what she has said cannot be defended.
First of all, Shazia Ilmi has been spoken to about this. She has justified what she has said, so the tape is certainly authentic. Secondly, I have with me Fareed Sheikh of the Aman Committee in Mumbai. 1 second, Fareed Sheikh, listen to me. Please don't jump at the media. That's become a bad habit of the Aam Aadmi Party nowadays. You ask any questions, you jump at the media. Fareed Sheikh of the Aman Committee, President of the Bombay Aman Committee, is with us. Mr. Fareed Sheikh, you were there when this video, when Shazia Ilmi was saying this. आप थे वहाँ पे?
जी हाँ, मैं था, मेरे साथ बात।
तो ये जो टेप है जिसमें शाजिया इल्मी ये कह रही हैं कि मुसलमान इतना सेक्युलर ना बनिए, मुसलमानों को कम्युनल होना पड़ेगा, पहली बात। आप इतने सेक्युलर ना होइए, आप अपने घर का देखिए इस बार। तो ये टेप तो सही है, टेप में तो कोई एडिटिंग तो नहीं हुई है ना?
टेप में सही है, लेकिन समझ में लोगों के समझने में और समझाने में फर्क हुआ है। उन्होंने जो कहा है,
ये जो व्यक्ति बैठे हैं शाजिया जी के पास में, वो तो आप ही लग रहे हैं मुझे। जब शाजिया जी ये सब कह रहे हैं,
मेरे बाजी में मेरे साथ ही बात हुई ना, मेरे कमेंट कमेटी में विजिट किया, मेरे साथ बात की।
आपने बोला क्यों नहीं कि ये कैसी बात कर रहे हैं आप कह रहे हैं कि मुसलमानों को कम्युनल होना चाहिए।
नहीं, सुन तो आप नहीं, आप सुनिए, आप वो वीडियो को बराबर सुनिए। हेलो, मेरे पास रिकॉर्डिंग है उसकी,
मेरे पास भी है।
उन्होंने किस बात पे कम्युनल होने के लिए कहा है? उन्होंने कहा है कि आज तक आप लोगों ने कांग्रेस को बहुत जिताया है,
तो
समझिए। और अब केजरीवाल जो है, हेलो, मेरी आप पूरी बात अभी मेरी बात अभी पहला बात सुनिए, फिर बाद में आगे बात कीजिए ना।
नहीं आप देखिए, आप फरीद जी आप क्या कर रहे हैं, आप जस्टिफाई कर रहे हैं कि शाजिया इल्मी ने कॉम्युनल होने को क्यों कहा।
जस्टिफाई नहीं कर रहा हूं,
दिस इज absurd. शम्बित पात्रा,
देखिए मैं
शम्बित पात्रा, लेट्स गेट
Yes, Arnav, this is a murder of democracy. Arnav, this is the murder of democracy, and today the nation is seeing that how the Aam Aadmi Party looks without makeup, the makeup of secularism. The skin is basically communal, and that's what we are seeing today.
You need no makeup for your communalism.
So are you competing with them?
No. Kamal Mitra Chinoy, don't teach me what secularism and communalism is. I was listening to what Sazia was saying. I believe both of you need to go back to your homes and read dictionary as to what secularism means and what communalism means. You're not clear with the definition, I believe. And Mr. Kamal Mitra Chinoy, you are a professor. Please don't defend the indefensible. This is the basic tenet of any debate.
I have not defended anything indefensible, but you can't defend what...
No, don't bring it to BJP, please, for God's sake. For God's sake, that the party which plays with the sentiment of people need not teach BJP. Mr. Kamal Mitra Chinoy, you are playing with the sentiment of the people. Don't talk about playing with words. Don't teach me.
What secularism? What secularism? No, Mr. Kamal Mitra Chinoy, don't get theoretical about it. Be honest to yourself about it just for a minute. Patra, just a minute. I mean, here is the dictionary definition of communal. Allegiance to one's own ethnic group rather than to society as a whole. Shazia Ilmi says Muslims are too secular. She asks them to be communal. She is encouraging voting along religious lines. She is asking Muslims to vote as a bloc. Can she defend herself now that she's asking Muslims to be communal? This isn't communalism a divisive term? Is she asking Muslims to be divisive? Is she not doing the same kind of religious polarization that Azam Khan does? This is, I am sorry to say, Kamal Mitra Chinoy, the most brazen incident of political hypocrisy. If you come on television and you actually justify a person who says to the Muslim community, be communal this time.
Why are you not quoting Praveen Togadia?
One second, Mr. Kamal Mitra Chinoy, I think that is a weak, facetious and uninformed argument. Because no channel but this channel was debated the issue of Praveen Togadia ad nauseum. So I don't need to know that from you.
What more do you want me to say?
Mr. Chinoy,
not support the term
Mr. Chinoy, this is now it clearly is apparent to me, Mr. Chinoy, that you have lost conviction in your own argument. Because Aarti, now Professor Chinoy...
I'm a professor. Please be polite.
Well, you may be a professor, so what am I supposed to do? I'm not your student. I'm 1 minute. I'm talking to you politely enough.
To the dictionary.
I am not sitting in your classroom.
Dictionary meaning.
I can tell you the dictionary meaning better than you know it.
If you ask for a community vote on secular lines,
1 second.
It is not communal.
Mr. Just no, please.
Mr. Kamal Mitra Chinoy, you need to see the video again and again. Please go home and see the video.
I will. No, Mr. Chinoy.
Do not vote for Hindus.
Mr. Chinoy, why are you? Mr. Chinoy.
There has been a
I want to ask Mr. Chinoy something. Can I ask Mr. Chinoy something?
This kind of foolish.
Or not, can I ask Professor Kamal Mitra Chinoy something? Professor Kamal Mitra Chinoy, I have a question for you. You have a Prashant Bhushan who wants a referendum on Kashmir. You have a Sazia Ilmi who wants the Muslims to vote en bloc for others. They should not vote for others. They should vote for their own community. What is the design for India by the Aam Aadmi Party?
Used for internal affairs. The BJP
No, Mr. Kamal Mitra Chinoy, the nation knows what it is. For how long the Aam Aadmi Party will continue playing with the sentiments of this country?
Aarti is coming into the debate. Kamal Mitra Chinoy, Professor Kamal Mitra Chinoy, Aarti Jairat is coming into the debate. I'd like to remind our viewers at this point of the debate one thing.
Unlike you state your medical practice where you're good.
What medical practice is stating?
He's the real face of Aam Aadmi Party.
Professor Kamal Mitra Chinoy, when you have been caught in a wrong food, you're trying. What I'm talking about?
Candidate, your BJP leader wants Modi critics to go to Pakistan. What are you talking about?
Aarti, can I answer you, Aarti? Aarti, please, there is a difference between Aarti. There is a difference over enthusiastic speech.
1 second. After
one who is murdering secularism. Your friend Aarti, your friend Sazia has been caught murdering secularism. For God's sake, wake up now. Aarti, your friend Sazia has been caught murdering secularism. For God's sake, wake up. Don't compare. Don't play this comparison game.
By putting up candidates
no, I don't.
This is the most.
You know, the BJP doesn't have a leg to stand on. The BJP doesn't have the BJP does not have the leg to stand on preaching secularism to others. Please.
Aarti and Sankarshan, now please just a minute, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, a minute. Please calm down. Sambit, stop. Sambit, just a minute. Sambit, just a minute.
Teach your friend first.
One at a time.
I mean, how can I sit here and listen to Sambit Patra lecture others on what secularism is? When every day some member of his party is in some corner of the country.
Shazia Ilmi and Aam Aadmi Party, you may be sympathizers
I don't need to read the dictionary, Mr. Patra. Neither do I need to go home to read a dictionary.
No.
This kind of language.
Shazia Ilmi does not know the meaning of secularism and communalism. I saw it on Times Now just now.
Every day in some corner of the country, someone from your party stands up and spews venom.
I do not know what is the difference between...
You know what, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, I'll come in for a minute.
I said at the start, Shazia Ilmi cannot be defended. That does not cleanse you of what you have done.
Just a minute.
Don't lecture others.
Now I'm listening to you, please. You know, 1 minute, please. Everybody quiet for a minute. Can everybody just listen in for a minute? Aarti and Sankarshan, a minute.
Somebody tweets, somebody issues a press statement, nobody is taking any action. Nobody.
Now, Aarti, please. Aarti, you know what? I'll tell you one thing. I clearly, 1 minute. Aarti, no, 1 minute. Farid ji, 1 second रुकिए आप. 1 second रुकिए. सबको मुझे 1 minute. I want to say something to you. First of all, don't speak over each other. Please, I request you. Farid ji, 1 minute. Farid ji, 1 minute. 1 minute, Farid ji. 1 minute, Farid ji. पहली बात तो यह है, मैं 2-3 बातें बस कहना चाहूंगा, उसके बाद आपके पास आ रहा हूं. You know, Aarti, Sankarshan and Professor Kamal Mitra Chenoy. What are we talking about today? Okay? We spoke about Togadia yesterday. We spoke about Giriraj Singh also this week. We have spoken about Azam Khan. We have spoken about Amit Shah. Now, as journalists, we believe that it doesn't matter who is saying it. Tomorrow, if someone even very close to you says something which is wrong, you should be honest enough to say it is not right. That's all. But I find this also a very strange argument, Sankarshan. And please don't react to me immediately. And Aarti, it's a very strange argument. Here is today if you had a BJP leader who would be caught on tape saying बहुत हो गई secularism, इस बार communal होना चाहिए. Sankarshan and Aarti, with the greatest of respect to both of you would have been jumping.
Arnab,
both of you would not have said, oh, by the way, Sankarshan, just 1 minute. Both of you would not have said at that point
Arnab,
of time,
please that
the Congress was also...
Tape today. Since you love rolling back tapes.
Hello.
Please roll back your tape and look at what I said for a start. I said what Shazia Ilmi has said cannot be defended.
Yes, but then you went on to say you didn't focus on the Aam Aadmi Party issue. You didn't focus on Shazia Ilmi. Neither did Aarti Jairath. You went into the issue of whether you went into the issue.
I'm saying that
your BJP guests started saying things which I have to respond to.
Single one of them.
So I'm going back to the Aam Aadmi Party.
You expect me to sit and listen to it quietly? No.
No, I'll play the tape again.
I said what Shazia says, and I repeat, what Shazia says cannot be defended, and she has not denied this tape.
Should I play the tape again? Should I play the tape again? मैं एक बार और tape play कर दूँ?
Cannot be defended. What Shazia Ilmi has said cannot be defended.
1 minute. This is the tape. This is the tape. We are playing it once more. This is the tape. Achha, now can everybody remain quiet for just a minute? I want to ask a question to Professor Kamal Mitra Chenoy. Professor Chenoy, if you've read the manifesto, can you listen to me, Professor Chenoy? If you've read the manifesto of the Aam Aadmi Party, the manifesto says that those practicing politics in the name of religion will be dealt with strictly. In my view, and in any straightforward thinking person's view, this is practicing politics in the name of religion. If this is not practicing politics in the name of religion, I don't know what is. This is politics in the name of religion.
मैं सेकुलरिज्म में बात करना चाह रहा हूं आपके.
एक मिनट आपके पास आ रहा हूं तो कमल मित्र चेनॉय, Shazia Ilmi has destroyed the...
I have said categorically, in this program that we do not defend the phrase too secular. We would also not defend the term too communal. And this will be reported
No, it's not a phrase. It's not a phrase. No, Kamal Mitra Chenoy, again you got it wrong. It's not a phrase. Shazia Ilmi is instructing the Muslim leaders out there. And now can I read it out to you, Professor Chenoy, so you understand it clearly? It appears you're a little confused about it, with respect. She says Muslims are way too secular. Muslims should in fact be communal this time.
Not to become communal.
Muslims are way too secular. Muslims should in fact be communal this time.
Correct.
Don't be secular, she says.
Correct.
A political leader of your party says don't be secular, be communal this time. Then you know what she says to us? She says it's a play of words.